So altogether then the district population is roughly, I think, 220,000 or something, if I'm not making a mistake. Yeah. But it's anyways 220,000 people are living there in this whole region. Yeah, on the right side, this white building is the comedy theater, but now it's called Theater Local. So it's basically comedy theater. They have small plays all about
Kommt jetzt hier
local comedy and culture and these sort of things. So we are still on Heidelberger Landstraße. It's called now the Heidelberger State Road, interconnecting state road or something like that, if I translate it. And on the right side we have all the renovated buildings. Some of them are new, some of them are renovated, and they were before that the American barracks or Kaserne here. So it was until, I guess, 2008 under the control of American Army, but after that they have sort of an agreement with Germany. Certain years or time has been passed, so they have given all the Kaserne or the place that was under army used, so they have actually given back to the city, and now city have built a school and places to live for people, you know, new apartments and stuff. So this is one of those areas here. On the left we have continuously like a belt of forest, and if we go, then there is a relatively higher place here, and where they have the Sternwarte. So they have a telescope for public where people can go and observe certain stars if the weather is clear, and they are lucky to get the place there to watch them. Yeah, they also have a small planetarium, but it's a very small one, so where you can actually bring your kids and educate yourself about the stars and astronomy and this kind of things. So we are still driving in Darmstadt, and we are going towards Eberstadt, which will start, I guess there will be a shield here where it will be written Eberstadt or Darmstadt is finished here, you know. Yeah. Anyways, here I think, or from the next signal, the Eberstadt area will start, which is also city part of Darmstadt. And yeah, and then on the right side we will also drive by another Kaserne or barracks or army area. So I think this is on the right side now, and this is still used by German army nowadays, and his name is Kanan Kaserne or something. And it's also organized, clean, you know, as always. video will be roughly 30 minutes, but I think it's okay. So this is basically the Eberstadt here. Eberstadt also has a hospital that is the sort of connected to Darmstadt main hospital, but they have specific areas here where they treat only specific type of patients and things like that, you know. This is very old part of the town, and you will see like so many old buildings. And roads gets really tight in here because back then there were like not so much traffic of this size and this quantity. Now we have the kind of we have today's. Driving straight. You also, like when you pass by any old town of Germany, you will experience these stone roads. They are still there, and every once in a while they repair them, correct the underlying structure, and put the tiles back. So yeah, I don't like them. It's very bumpy and they make a lot of noise as well, but you know what, they are there. Not here for a very long time. I think after 4 or 5 years I am in this place driving by. Few things have been changed. I'm just noticing those ones, like this last hotel is still there, Hotel Stud Heidelberg or something, and where the next signal will be, then on the right side will be the main hospitals area. pretty much at the end of Darmstadt city, so I will stop the video now. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel if you have not, and also please write your comments if you would have. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.